Right, hello viewers. We are going to continue our topic factorization. The last time we were talking of only binomials where we can pull out the highest common factor. Right now, we are going to deal with quadratic expressions, which is written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. But in this case, for today, our a is equal to 1. A equal to 1 in this case. A is equal to 1. That means our expression is going to be x squared plus bx plus c, where b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant. So our coefficient of x squared is 1 for now. We will deal with those ones with a greater than 1. Right now, factorize completely. I have three expressions here. Factorize completely. You are going to completely factorize. When we say factorize completely, we mean you must write your expression in its primary what you call them prime factors, as we said earlier. Express it as a product of its prime factors. Right now, the first one, solution for the first one. X squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to, it's not equal to, it's just x squared plus 7x plus 10. Now, we want to factorize this one. One good thing is the whole expression is made up of positives. There is no negative. So we are not going to think about any negative in this case. Right, so what you are going to do, you are going to look at, I'll teach you two methods. Method 1 is the straightforward one, which does not show any working. You are going to look at the factors of 10, and which, when you add, in this case, is all addition. When we add, we must get 7, the middle term. So the factors of 10 that we know, we have 10 and 1. Then obviously we have 5 and 2. Right? If you add 10 plus 1, you won't get 7. If you subtract 1 from 10, you won't get 7. So in this case, the obvious factors are 5 and 2. So this implies x squared plus 7x plus 10 must be equal to, you just put 2 brackets, equal to x plus 5 times x plus 2. That is your answer, is done. No working. So method 2. The method 2 is you are going to break 7x into these factors that you have already identified, 5 and 2. So we are going to say x squared plus, let me change my marker here, x squared plus our 7x is going to be 5x plus 2x, right? Then plus 10. So now you can group this into 2. X squared plus 5x, then 2x plus 10. Find the common factor. In this case, these two, x squared plus 5x. Our x is common here. So you divide x squared divided by x, you get x. Plus 5x divided by x, you get 5. Then plus. Then 2x plus 10, there's a common factor here. Our common factor is 2. You divide 2x divided by 2, you get x. 10 divided by 2, you get 5. So we continue now. There's a common factor again. The common factor is x plus 5. You can see there's x plus 5, there's x plus 5 here. So put x plus 5 outside the brackets. Now when you divide this whole expression, x bracket x plus 5 divided by x plus 5, that means x plus 5 is going to cancel. Then you are left with x. Then you go to that one, x plus 5 will cancel here, and you are left with 2. That is your answer. So this answer and this one are the same. So you can either use this one or this straightforward one. Right. Now let's go to solution 2. Solution 2. I'm removing here. I'm removing here. Right, our solution 2, number 2. The last time we were dealing with positives only. Now we have a negative there. X squared plus 4x minus 12. We have a negative. So factorize completely. Like what we did before, look at the factors of minus 12. If you add them, you must get 4. Or subtract them, you must get 4. So obviously, if I write here, minus 12, my factors, or before I just write minus 12, let me just write 12. The factors of 12 that we know is 6 and 2. Then we know is 4 and 3. And we know 12 and 1. But then, we must get 4 when we add them or subtract them. So the only the one pair which gives us 4 is 6 and 2. Because here obvious 4 plus 3, you get 7. 4 minus 3, you get 1. 12 plus 1, 13. 12 minus 1, you get 11. So the obvious one is this one. But for us to have negative 12 and have plus 4, we must put a negative 2 here. So that we say 6 minus 2, we get 4. 6 times minus 2, we get minus 12. So now that expression is going to be equal to x, here is a plus 6, then that side is x minus 2. Is done. Finished. Right, method number 2. Method number 2, we have seen that our factors are 6 and minus 2. That will give you 4. So the method number 2, you are going to break 4x into 6x minus 2x. 4x is equal to 6x minus 2x. Then we have minus 12. So now, group this one, the 2. If I group x squared and 6x, the common factor is x. So x squared divided by x, you get x. 6x divided by x, you get 6. Then here, there's a negative. So you can put minus outside the brackets and then check the common factor between 2x and 12. You will get 2 as a common factor. Then here 2x divided by 2, you get, in fact it's minus 2x divided by minus 2, you get x. Then here you have minus 12 divided by minus 2, you get plus 6. So now, there's a common factor again. The common factor is x plus 6 this time. So x plus 6 outside the brackets. Then you divide this whole expression by x plus 6. X plus 6 will cancel. Then you will leave x. Then divide this whole expression by x plus 6. X plus 6 will cancel and leave minus 2. So this answer and that one are the same. So you choose the method that is best for you. Right, the last one that I will do, it has a positive at the constant and a negative in the middle term. So let me do it this side. Right, it's x squared minus 10x plus 25. Factorize completely. Right, like what we've done before, we look for the factors of 25, which when you add, they must give you minus 10. So there are two obvious. Obvious, it's 5 and 5. 5 times 5 is 25. And you cannot talk of 25 and 1. Because when I say 5 plus 5, I can see a 10 here. But this time I need a negative here. So to get a negative here, I must put negative, negative. So minus 5 must give him minus 10. Then minus 5 times minus 5 must give me plus 25. So that your answer becomes x minus 5 in brackets x minus 5. Then if you want to appear more mathematical, this is a perfect square, which you can just say x minus 5 squared. You are done. But at this level, you get all the marks. You get all the marks. Right, then method 2. Method 2. Method 2, you break minus 10 into minus 10x into minus 5x minus 5x. So you are going to say x squared equal to x squared minus 5x minus 5x plus 25. All right. Then we continue. Right, you group like what we've done before. Group the two. You group the two. So this is equal to, when you group these two, there's a common factor here, which is x bracket x squared divided by x, you get x. Then minus 5x divided by x, you get minus 5. Then this one also, there's a common factor. There's a common factor. There's a minus 5 here. You can also put minus. Then our common factor is 5. Then minus 5x divided by minus 5, you get x. Then since we have put a negative here, that means inside the brackets, this plus is going to change sign. It's going to be negative. Then 25 divided by 5, or just 20 plus 25 divided by minus 5, then you get minus 5. Right, now there's a common factor here, x minus 5. So equal to x minus 5. Then you pull out x minus 5, which is the same as the previous one. So to appear more mathematical, it must be x minus 5 all squared. Right, this is factorization of quadratic expressions or factorization of trinomials. So the next time we are going to look at factorization of quadratic expressions where a is greater than 1. Where a is greater than 1. So that marks the end of today's lesson. Thank you for those who have subscribed in the last video. I also urge you to subscribe on this one and also share and comment, then also like it. Thank you very much.